Welcome everybody, and today we'll discuss about leave encashment, or we can say leave salary. What is this? Everybody crave to get leaves, but there are some workaholic people who actually work even if the employer is ready to give the leave to you. Now such employees should be rewarded or not? They are putting so much effort, even on leave they are working with commitment. They should be rewarded. So for that, what happens is employers pay something called as leave salary, or we can say leave encashment. Now employer will pay, but income tax department, they'll feel, oh, you're receiving money, it is income, we will tax. So income tax department is always ready to tax it. So if you receive leave salary during your service, during the job continuation, then income tax department say the salary received is fully taxable. So whether you are a government employee, you are a non-government employee, doesn't make a difference. You received leave encashment, leave salary during your service, during your continuation of job, then the leave salary received is fully taxable. And if some student is still doubtful what is leave salary is not that on Sunday you did not work, you got salary. That is not leave salary, right? If on Sunday there is leave and still you came and worked, for that if you get money, that is leave salary, right? So other than the working days, when you work extra, when organization is closed, other employees are enjoying leave, you are working, that you will get something called as leave salary for that. Okay, so leave salary during your continuation of service, it is fully taxable. But suppose you receive it at the time of retirement. Government employees are actually enjoying a lot of benefits when it comes to taxation, right? So what they said, government employee के लिए it is fully exempt. So at the time of retirement, if government employee receive leave salary, it is fully exempt. But if non-government employee receives it, then it is taxable to them. But some exemption is given. It is taxable to them, but some exemption is given to non-government employees too. So what is the exemption? Least of the following 4. Hey, till now we were discussing 3, right? Here it is 4. Okay, least of the following 4. The first one is quite common. Actual leave salary received, right? Second one, average monthly. Arey yaar, there is some typing mistake. Salary should have been written. So average monthly salary into 10. Okay. And third one is something called as 3 lakhs rupees. Fixed amount. Okay. Statutory limit is there, na? That is 3 lakhs. But please remember, if you have received leave salary from some other employer, or some exemption you got in relation to leave salary in advance in the past, that exemption will be deducted from these 3 lakhs, right? So I said 3 points till now. 3 exemptions. Least of the following 3 is exempt. First one is actual leave salary. Second one, suppose 3 lakhs minus exempt amount. Third one is 10 into average monthly salary. Fourth one is unearned leave into average monthly salary. Now, what are the difficult words which you should remember? One is salary, second one is average monthly salary, third one is unearned leave. If you are able to crack these 3 words, then you will solve any problem and unearned leave with ease. So let's start with the word salary. Salary means basic pay, DA retirement plus commission as a percentage of turnover. What I said? Basic DA basic pay, DA retirement plus commission as a percentage of turnover. Again here fixed commission, don't take. DA not forming part of retirement, don't take. DA forming part of retirement, always take. If they give only DA, believe it to be forming part of retirement and take. So salary is equal to basic pay plus DA retirement plus commission as a percentage of turnover. Salary is equal to basic pay plus DA retirement plus commission as a percentage of turnover. But here is just salary relevant? No. Average monthly salary. So average monthly salary means 10 months average. What's there in it? If you feel like that, you will do mistakes. It is 10 months average salary. It's okay, right? But 10 months from the date when he retired. Suppose some employee retired on, suppose 17th December, right? So generally what we did in gratuity, when you are not covered by Gratuity Act, you simply ignored that 17 days of December and you simply calculated 1st February to 30th November. Simple, you did. But here it is not the case. Here you should take from the date backwards. So from 17th December, you go backward till 10 months. So can we say 18th February 2022 to 17th December 2022? Nothing wrong in it, right? So this difference you should remember. In gratuity, when you are not covered by Gratuity Act, you took 10 months but excluding the month of retirement. But when it comes to leave encashment for non-government employees at the time of retirement, when you take average 10 months salary, it is from the date, not from the month, from the date of retirement. This way you should remember. Now we understood everything. Only one word I did not teach, and that is unearned leave. Before that, let me recap everything for you. Leave salary means on the day of leave you worked, for that you get salary. Simple. Now during the tenure of service, if you get this, fully taxable. But at the time of retirement, if government employee receives it, it is fully exempt. But if non-government employee receives it, it is taxable, but any of the four is given as exemption, or least of the four is given as exemption. First one is actual leave salary, second one is 3 lakhs minus already exempt if any, third one is 10 into average monthly salary, that we understood, and fourth one is average monthly salary into unearned leave. What is unearned leave? Unearned leave is something what employer gave you as leave minus what you took as leave. Leave given minus leave taken. Unearned leave means what? Leave given minus leave taken. Simple. But income tax department always have something to say, right? So they don't believe in how many leaves the employer gave. They say whatever leave employer gave or 30 days per annum, whichever is lower they will consider as leave given. So leave given how much? Leaves actually given by employer or 30 days, whichever is lower will be considered as leave given, minus leaves taken actual, and that is unearned leave. Suppose this unearned leave is in months, no problem at all. But if unearned leave is in days, then divide it by 30 to convert it into months. Divide it into 30, divide it by 30 to convert it into months. That's it. This is how you should actually compute. Clear? Unearned leave is what? Leave given or 30 days per annum, whichever is lower, minus leaves taken, that is unearned leave. If it is in days, divide it by 30 to convert it into months. If it is into months, ignore. Simply directly take it as unearned leave into average monthly salary. Done? कोई doubt? देखो, if leave salary is received by legal heirs, the employee died, so legal heirs got the unearned leave of the employee. Then it is fully exempt. But again the rule applies here that the employee died, that's why the amounts became due, or the employee retired, that's why it became due. If employee retired, that's why it becomes due, then all these rules will apply. But if the employee died before retirement, then it is fully exempt in the hands of legal heirs. This also we should remember, and no doubt should be there. Hey, one more thing I forgot to teach you, right? Hey, because it is not in the proforma, you will get confused. Suppose I said leave given minus leaves taken, but leaves given per annum we will calculate, but how many years the service was, completed years of service should also be understood, right? So completed years of service takes all the completed years, but fractional months are ignored. So if completed years are 20 years and 6 months are there, or 11 months are there, 9 months are there, 2 months are there, ignore all. If it is 20 years, 11 months, 29 days, still ignore. So in simple language, fraction ignored. Okay, that also we should keep in mind. Hey, we'll solve two wonderful problems. One problem is from CMA study material. I actually forgot to take it in my notes, so that I am just pinning and solving. You can check leave salary topic from CMA book and check this question. And after that, one more question from CMA book only I added, that also will solve. Okay, chalo then we'll start the problem now. Now Mr. Bhanu's question is there, which we have to solve. Okay, so Mr. Bhanu is working in Zebra Limited since last 25 years and 9 months, right? 25 years and 9 months, remember this. Then they said company allows 2 months leaves given 2 months, but is it acceptable? No. 2 months or 30 days, or can we say as per income tax only 1 month? Okay, so 2 months or 1 month, whichever is lower. So maximum leaves given can be 1 month as per income tax act. Okay, chalo, leave for every completed year of service. Now for leave encashment problems, we already discussed that fraction should be ignored. So whether it is 25 years 9 months, so we'll ignore that 9 months, and only 25 years service can be considered. Okay, chalo. So this way 25 years service and 1 month leave, so that means totally 25 months leave is to be given or allowed to be given. Okay, chalo, of service for its employees. During the job he had availed 20 months leave. Okay, so 25 months given as per income tax act and 20 months taken. So how much is unearned leave? 5 months, correct? 25 months given, for 20 months taken, so 5 months unearned leave. At the time of retirement on 10th August 2022. So when he retired on 10th August 2022. Okay, 10th August. He got 1,50,000 rupees as leave encashment. So his leave encashment amount is 1,50,000 rupees. Correct? Great, good amount. As on that date, his basic salary was rupees 5,000. Ayyo, 5,000 basic salary per month. Okay, DA is 2,000 per month. Very good, easy. Commission was 5% on turnover. This is also okay, good, easy. Plus 2000 rupees per month. This is fixed commission, right? Hmm. Turnover affected by the SSC during the last 12 months was rupees 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs was the turnover he got in last 12 months. Okay. Bhanu got an increment of increment came, lot of calculations done. 1000 rupees increment per month from 1st January 2022. So 1st January 2022 to 10th August, the salary will be same as given. But before that, if we have to use certain days, then it would be reduced, right? In basic, 1000 in basic and 500 in DA. So at that time we had only last problems we did in only basic there was change, but here basic also changed, DA also changed. So double calculations. Compute his taxable leave encashment salary. Okay, easy. The biggest challenge with this chapter, this leave salary, is we need not calculate like month wise basis. It is from the date of retirement we will reverse it back. That's the biggest challenge, right? Lot more calculations will involve. How shall your answer differ if the assessee had taken 2 months leave instead of 20 months leave? What will happen? Your unearned leave will change. Like unearned leave will be like 25 months minus 2 months. So 23 months. During his continuation. Oh, what the word is, I don't know. But okay. 20 months during his tenure actually will remember. Okay, the spelling mistake is there. Okay, continuation of job should be there. And I read it wrong. Okay, that is right. 20 continuation of job. Now what I said, 25 years 9 months, fraction ignored. So completed year of service should be 25 years only. So let's write down that. Workings. We'll first complete all the workings because a lot of numerical calculations are there. Then let us do the main solution. Okay. Chalo, write down. Workings. First one. Completed year of service. 25 years 9 months. 25 years 9 months is equal to 25 years. That means the fraction is ignored, right? Is equal to 25 years. So for leave salary it would be 25 years only. Okay. Now let us jump to the salary calculation, the most complicated one. Okay. Salary here means basic salary plus DA retirement. Salary here means basic salary plus DA retirement plus commission on turnover. Now what I said, salary is equal to basic pay plus DA retirement plus commission on turnover. But here we will take only salary or average salary? Average salary, right? So that we will write. Last 10 months average. Last 10 months average from the date of retirement. The date word is very important. You can underline to remember forever. That much important it is. Okay. And when I will be dictating something, some small workings you do and put it in brackets for your understanding. I may not write, I'll just orally tell. Right? Chalo. Now what happened? Let us write down. देखो August he retired, correct? So from August you have to reverse it back. August 10th last date. So some month 11th he would have started the job, correct? So August to July 1 month, July June 1 month, May 1 month, 3 months over, April 4, March 5, February 6, January 7, December 21 will be 8, March 21 will, November 21 will be 9, and October 2021 will be 10. But in October, which date should be taken? So if October 11th you join, then you will retire on 10th of August, correct? So that 10 months can be calculated from 11th October to 10th August, right? This criteria we'll keep in mind. Now, tell me, in August 2022, how many days you worked? 1st to 10th, only 10 days. But in October 2021, how many days you worked? So from 11th October to 31st October means 11th October to 31st October. 21 days you worked, correct? This also you should keep in mind. Lot of calculations, correct? Write down particulars, then write down months. October, November, December, January. We'll start solving now, okay? October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. We'll write all that. And if you want, you write years also. That would be better. October 21 year. Okay. November 21 year. December 21 year. After that, January 22, February 22, March 22, April 22, May 22. Or at least you write in the month of October and you write in the month of January. That's enough. Okay. How many days they worked? That also we should write, correct? So in October we'll write 21 days you worked. November, December, January you worked full time, na? We'll not write days. February, March, April, May, June, July also full month you worked, so we'll not write days. But August we worked only for 10 days. There we'll write the days. Okay. How many days? 10 days we worked. That we'll write. August 10 days. Now finally we'll write the total. Finally we'll write the total. Sir, so many calculations. Yes, so many calculations. What to do? Okay. Now in particulars, we'll write basic first. We'll not go to basic, DA and all at a time. Basic we'll complete and then we'll go to DA. Now, what was the salary? The question talks about salary. Salary was 5,000, I feel. Is it right? 5,000. And basic salary was 5,000. And 1,000 rupees increment was also there on 1st January 2022. So, October, November, December, it is not even 5,000. 5,000 minus 1,000, that is 4,000. So, October 4,000, November 4,000, December 4,000 you got salary. Then January the employer increased it by 1,000. So, it became 5,000. So, January to August it is 5,000 only. Okay. Now, so October month 4,000 rupees salary. Correct? 4,000 salary into how many months you worked? How many days you worked on October month? 21 days only you worked, correct? So, your salary being 4,000, put it on calculator so that you will understand. 4,000 in salary, 21 days you worked. Out of how many days? Out of 31 days you worked, correct? Right? So out of 31 days you worked. So how much it will come to? Basic salary for October will be 2710. For October it would be 2710. How will you get this? That 4000 October salary into 21 by 31, right? So 2710. But for November you worked full month, so 4000. For December you worked full month, 4000. From January, salary increment, so 5000. February again 5000. March again 5000. April, May 5000. June also 5000. July also 5000. Till this point everybody write down. August there is again calculation, correct? That's why I am telling. Now August, what is the salary? 5000 into how many days you worked? 10 days. Divided by how much? You worked 31 days month, right? So the answer is very simple, right? Chal. Write down 1613. 1613. So August you write how much? 1613. Now basic salary everybody completed with me, correct? I agree that you completed. So October to August. Shall we do the total? On calculator you do. Pat. Tell me what is the total. Till that time I will write DA here. Okay. Till that time I will write DA here. Tell what is the total of basic salary. Okay. The total is 47,323. 47,323. This is your basic salary for 10 months. Now this is total, not average. Okay. Very good. Now DA also same thing we should do. DA is 2000 today, but 500 was increment on 1st January. So in December, November, October it was just 1500 rupees. Okay. So October, November, December you got 1500. You got increment of 500. It became 2000 in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay. That's. Now let's do the workings. DA. Again what will happen? Again 1500 salary into 21 October month, right? 21 days only they worked. So 1500 days rupees into 21 days divided by 31 days. So 1016. 1016 will come. 1016. So what I said again I will repeat. Your DA was 1500 in the month of October, November, December. So 1500 into 21 days for October divided by 31. 1016. November 1500 normally, December 1500 normally. Let us write down simply. January salary is 2000, so January 2000, February 2000, again March also same 2000, April 2000. Everybody write with me. May 2000, June 2000, July 2000. But August, no 2000. August what happens is 2000 into 10 days because you will get only salary for 10 days. So DA also for 10 days. So 2000 into 10 divided by 365. 2000 into 10 by 365. How much it will come to? It will come to 645. 645. Okay. 645. So when you do the total of all these DAs, what will come, you tell me. One zero one six plus 1500 plus 2000 645. When we do the total, we'll get 18,661. DA total is 18,661. DA total is 18,661. Now come to the third part. Commission. Commission, what they said? In the question they said that commission is 5%. Yeah. And sales is 5 lakhs. Okay. 5 lakhs per annum, correct? So write down commission. And it is spread evenly throughout the year, they said. So simply we'll take 5 lakhs. Hey, this is not month wise. We'll directly take average. So 5 lakhs into 5%. 5 lakhs into 5%. And how many months? 10 months average we should take, right? So into 10. And 5 lakhs is per annum. That's why divided by 12. 5 lakhs into 5% into 10 by 12. It will come to, commission will come to 20,833. 20,833. Now you got basic pay, you got DA, you got commission. Now it's the time to get total salary for 10 months. Right? Do the total. देखो 47,323 plus 18,661 plus 20,833. When you do the total, how much you will get? 86,817. 86,817. 86,817. Now it's the time to do average salary, correct? Average salary is equal to, in bracket we'll put 86,817 divided by 10 months. So clear? 86,817 divided by 10 months. 10 months average we should calculate, that's why. So it came to 8,682. 8,682. 8,682. 8,682. Now, for computation of leave salary, monthly fixed commission, is it taken? It's not required, right? So write down one note. Note, monthly fixed commission is, hey, देखो, we took commission as a percentage of turnover. It was given 5%, we took. But if it is fixed, we will not take, right? That we have to write. Chalo, everybody, let us write down that. 1 minute. Yeah. Monthly fixed commission is irrelevant. Is irrelevant. Commission as fixed percentage of turnover. Commission as fixed percentage of turnover is to be considered. Is to be considered. Clear, everybody? Yeah. Now, because we know this average and all other workings are very easy. Average salary we know, years we know, everything we know. Directly we can solve the problem now. Okay? Chalo, let's start. computation of taxable leave encashment. Computation of taxable leave encashment. Salary of Mr. Bhanu for the assessment year 23-24. For the assessment year 23-24. Now again you have to write particulars. You have to write case A details amount and case B details amount. Case A details amount, case B details amount. Okay, done. Shall we start? Now first let us write down leave encashment received. So we will take that received amount minus exemption amount, then taxable amount, correct? Same way like that. So write down leave encashment received. Now in amount column we'll write how much is received, that we'll write. So see the question. In that 1,50,000 is given, right? So that 1,50,000 we'll write in the amount column. Right. From this we have to deduct less least of the following is exempted. Least of the following is exempted. Under section 10, subsection 10AA, clause 2. Under section 10, subsection 10AA, clause 2. For pension it is 10 subsection 10A. For leave encashment it is 10AA. Difference you should be able to see. Chalo, write down least. What is the least? 4 items. A, actual amount received. So first item will be actual amount received. So how much? 1,50,000 in both the cases. Case A also 1,50,000, case B also 1,50,000. Right, but here we will write in details column. Then B we will write statutory limit, right? Statutory amount. Statutory amount what they gave? 3 lakhs rupees. Is there anything exempt earlier? No. So 3 lakhs minus nil, 3 lakhs. So in 3 lakhs in both the cases, let us write down 3 lakhs in both the cases. Then let's come to case C. Case C, it is very simple. 10 into average monthly salary or average monthly salary into 10, whatever way you write. So write down 10 months into average monthly salary. So you know 10 is easy. Into average salary is 8,682. 8682. When 10 into 8682 you do, what will you get? 86,820 or kya? So C also completed in both the cases. 86,820. Right. Now come to case D. Point D. Point D is what? Unearned leave into average monthly salary. Case D is unearned leave into average monthly salary. Unearned leave into average monthly salary. Right. Now in the D point we have case A separate calculation, case B separate calculation. So for case A let us write down first. For case A let us write down first. Okay, D point what we wrote, unearned leave into average monthly salary. Right. Now for case A we were writing. Case A what? Unearned leave. How much is unearned leave? I said 2 months employer is giving. So 25 years service. So we simply can say 50 months. But income tax don't allow. Income tax says 25 years service you gave, 2 months, or income tax act allows only 1 month, whichever is lower, so 1 month per annum. And years 25 years. So how many? 25 months leave allowed. But how much taken? 20. So 25 minus 20 how much? 5 will come. So write down 5 months into, so case A we are writing 5 months into 8682. 5 months into 8682. So in case A what will come? 43,410. 43,410. 43,410. Now for case B we will write now. For case B we will write now. How much? Simple. 25 months is allowed, but you took only 2 months. So totally how many months you can enjoy? 23 months. So write down 23 into case B, 23 into 8682. 8682. How much will come? 23 into 8682. 1,99,686. 1,99,686. 1,99,686. Now you got all the 4 correct in both the cases. So you see first case 43 is the lowest. So that will put in amount column for reduction, because least of the following 4 should be deducted, right? One is 3 lakhs, one is 1 lakh 50, right? And one is 43,410, one is 86,820. So out of these 4, 43,410 is lowest. So that will put in amount column case A. When we deduct leave salary received 1,50,000 minus 43,410, we'll get 1,06,590. 1,06,590. So taxable leave encashment, how much will come? 1,06,590. So write down in particulars also taxable leave encashment. And in case A, final answer is 1,50,000 minus 43,410 will come to 1,06,590. That's it. So case B also we should write, and one working note also will write. Case B again, when you check, 1,99,686 is there, 1,16,000 is there, right? And then you have again 3 lakhs is statutory limit, correct? So when you compare all these 3 lakhs, then you got leave encashment of 1,50,000 compare with 86,000. So many are there, right? So what is the lowest of all these four? 86,000. 86,820 is the lowest. 86,820 is the lowest. Okay. Now, so finally when we got the lowest, we have to deduct it from 1,50,000. So from 1,50,000, when you deduct 86,820, what is your final answer? 63,180. Right? 86,820 when we deduct, 63,180 will be answer. Okay? Don't get confused. Now, 1 minute everybody. If I am wrong or right, I should check, right? Yes, absolutely we are right, and that's it. We got 63,800 and 63,180. This is the final answer. Okay, so no mistakes should be done. I feel everybody will do everything correctly. So we got the leave encashment. Now let us simply write the final solution. Final note. Unearned leave is equal to leave taken, leave provided minus leave taken. Unearned leave is equal to leaves provided minus leaves taken. Unearned leave is equal to leaves provided minus leaves taken. Case A we will write now. Case A, 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. Case B, 25 minus 2 is equal to 23. 25 minus 2 is equal to 23. 25 minus 2 is equal to 23. Right. Very good. Completed years of service. One more point we'll write. Completed years of service is 25 years. Completed years of service. I am dictating again, no worries. Completed years of service is 25 years. Employer gave 2 months leave per annum. employer gave 22 months leave per annum, but as per income tax, leave provided is but as per income tax, leave provided is actual leave, that is 2 months per annum, actual leave, that is 2 months per annum, or 1 month as per income tax, or 1 month as per income tax, whichever is lower. 1 month as per income tax, whichever is lower. So leave provided is equal to 25 years into 1 month. So leave provided is equal to 25 years into 1 month. That is 25 months. That is 25 months. This way you should be able to interpret the problem. Wonderfully you understood, I feel, this how we did, right? Don't get confused or any doubts are there, always ask me. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. Okay, so don't hesitate. Right, we'll go to the next problem now. Okay. Hey, there is some silly mistake actually which happened from my side also, and the institute also has done. You can see case B, properly observe case B. Least of the following four is exempt. So actual amount it is given. So 1,50,000 we wrote. Then it is something called as statutory amount which is exempted. That is uh, 3 lakhs rupees. So that also we wrote in case B. That's perfectly fine. 10 into average monthly salary. So 10 into 8,682. So 86,820. This is also right. Nothing wrong with these three parts. Fourth part is unearned leave, as I said. That is 23 months into 8,682. So it came to around 1,99,686. So these four are absolutely right. But in between, CMA Institute got 1,16,000 somewhere. It is unnecessarily typed. So such things you don't get confused with. Okay. So other things are all okay. Perfectly we did. Logically we discussed. Right. Now, shall I go to the next question? Yes, let's start. Mr. Das retired on 31st March 2023. So date you remember, 31st March 2023 he retired. Okay, right. At the time of retirement, 18 months leave was lying to the credit of his account. How many months leave? 18 months leave was lying to the credit. यार such a खतरनाक word they used. देखो, one is leave provided by the employer. Second one is leave taken by the employee. But here what they said, they gave 18 months, but it is neither leave provided nor leave taken. It is leave left over in his account, or in our income tax language, unearned leave. Not in technical sense, general sense. Right? 18 months he worked, even though it was a holiday. That's what he said. So it is not A minus B is equal to C. They directly gave C here. Okay. But C is not as per technical terms of income tax. C is in general accounting business language. Now, shall I go to the next thing? He received leave encashment equivalent to 18 months. That's over. Basic salary 1,26,000. Wait. There are lot of atom bombs here. Again 18 months came, right? Second line. He received. Now, why I am stressing on each and every word? Because you should understand. He received, very important word, received, correct? Leave encashment equivalent to. So that means he received that 18 months leave salary also. Equivalent to 18 months basic salary. And that amount is 1,26,000. So what they directly want to tell, that 1,26,000 is equal to basic salary into 18. So if you really want to know what is basic salary, you will take 1,26,000 divided by 18, you will get the basic salary. His employer allows him 1.5, right? 1/2, 1.5 month leave for every completed year of service. So how many years of service is done? The employer gave him 1.5 month leave. Okay, good. During his tenure, he availed of 12 months leave. Oh my God. 12 months leave he took. Now the question is something like this. Leave provided minus leave taken is equal to leave and unearned leave, correct? So they gave unearned leave 18 months. They gave leave taken 12 months. But leave provided they did not give. So you should remember this 18 months leave plus 12 months together will become leave provided. So 30 months is leave provided as per the employer. Okay. At the time of retirement, he also gets DA rupees 3,000 per month. So he is not only getting basic salary, that is 1,86,000. What is it? 1,26,000 divided by 18. But he is also getting 3,000 per month DA. Now this is per month. It is not lump sum. Okay, his last increment of rupees 1,000 per 1,000 in basic was on 1st April 2022. My God, all these twists are not enough. They also gave that increment. But please wait. He retired on 31st March 2023, right? And this increment is on 1st April 2022, right? 12 months back he got increment. So that increment will not affect our 10 months salary. So less risky. No risky actually. Find a taxable leave encashment. If you did not understand this till now, no worries, no tension. While we work, again I'll explain everything. Okay? Chalo. Let's start working. Write down the workings now. Okay? Right. So what I wanted to tell you, we have to find out what is basic salary. Right? That will come by 1,26,000 divided by 18. If you do, you will easily get. Chalo, let's write down one after the other. Calculation of And one more thing, completed years of service, how much? We don't know, right? They gave 12 months leave taken. 18 months leave was available but not utilized. So totally how much given? 30 months leave was given. And then they again said one more thing, that every year they gave 1.5 month leave. So now if you divide 30 months divided by 1.5 per month per annum, so you will get 20 years of service, yes or no? So 20 years was the service into 1.5 month leave. So totally 30 months leave was given. From that 12 was taken. So 18 months left over. That's what the logic is. So let's write down. Workings. Calculation of completed years of service. Calculation of completed years of service. Employee has received 18 months leave encashment. Employee has received 18 months leave encashment. On termination of service. On termination of service. As well he had enjoyed as well he has enjoyed leave of 12 months during his tenure. Leave of 12 months during his tenure. That means he had received a leave benefit of 30 months. 12 is leave taken, 18 is leave left over, so total is 30 months, correct? Since leave allowed by employer is 1.5 month, since leave allowed by employer is 1.5 months, for every completed year for every completed year of service, for every completed year of service, this signifies that Mr. Das had completed 20 years of service. Das has completed 20 years of service. 20 years of service. Being 30 divided by 1.5. 30 divided by 1.5. So now we understood how many years we completed. Salary also we should compute actually, because देखो what they did, they gave 1,26,000, that's what we know, and this is equal to 18 months basic salary. So for each month 7,000 is the basic salary you are getting, and again in the question they gave something called as DA also. DA is 3,000, so totally how much salary? 10,000 per month, correct? That we should find out. Okay, and that is average salary also 10,000 only. because there is no change during the 10 months backdated from retirement. 12 months back there was a change, but it doesn't affect our calculations. Okay, write down. Second point, salary here means basic plus DA retirement. Salary means basic plus DA retirement plus commission on turnover. Basic plus DA retirement plus commission on turnover. Being last 10 months average. Being last 10 months average from the date of retirement. From the date of retirement. There is no increment in last 10 months. There is no increment in last 10 months. Last increment was on 1st April 2022. Last increment was on 1st April 2022. Right? So we'll put it in bracket and close. And there is no commission. In the question they did not give commission, right? And there is no commission. Hence, average salary is equal to 7,000 bracket open, that is 1,26,000 divided by 18 bracket close, 1,26,000 divided by 18 bracket close, plus 3,000 rupees. I said na 10,000 rupees per month. Now because there is no salary change, it is same. Average also same, last drawn also same. Okay, very good. Shall we go to the next story? Now we'll do the main solution. Computation of taxable leave encashment of Mr. Das. Computation of taxable leave encashment of Mr. Das for the assessment year 23-24. For the assessment year 23-24. Simply write down particular details amount. Particular details amount. Now write down leave encashment received. How much is received? 1,26,000 you received. That we'll write in amount column. So in particulars we'll write leave encashment received. How much? 1,26,000 in amount column. Less least of following is exempt. Less least of following is exempt. Under section 10, subsection 10 AA, clause 2. Section 10, subsection 10 AA, clause 2. In that we have A, B, C, D to write. So first one A, Actual amount received, you know the same amount 1,26,000 will write. Actual amount received, same 1,26,000. Statutory amount, that is 3 lakhs anyhow, no change in that also. Statutory amount 3 lakhs. 10 months into average monthly salary. 10 months into average monthly salary. So 10 into 10,000 rupees. So average salary we know 10,000, right? So 10 into 10,000, 1 lakh will come. Last one you write. So all these three are clear, right? Actual amount is 1,26,000 as given in question. Statutory limit 3 lakhs. Everybody know. 10 into average monthly salary. Average salary is 10,000. So 10,000 into this kya? When you multiply 10,000 with 10, it will come to 1 lakh rupees. Then last one, D point you have to write unearned leave into average monthly salary. Unearned leave into average monthly salary. Now you tell me what is your unearned leave. The leave as per employer is 1.5 month. But as per income tax is 1 month, whichever is lower. So 1 month you will take. Years of service is 20 years. So 20 is the leave provided as per the income tax act. Minus leaves taken is 12. So 20 minus 12 will become 8 months as unearned leave. So unearned leave 8 months into your average salary is 10,000. So write down 10 months into 8,000. Sorry. 8 months into rupees 10,000. So what is the answer for D? 80,000 rupees. For D, what is the answer? 80,000 rupees. Clear? Koi doubt? No. Now, when you deduct out of these four, whatever is lower you try to deduct. And when you deduct the lowest of the four, then you will get the taxable leave encashment. Okay? Yes. So do that calculation. Taxable leave encashment. 1,26,000 is low or 1 lakh is low. 80,000 is low. Ultimately, what is low? 80,000. And when 80,000 is low and 1,26,000 is your leave encashment, what is the taxable amount? 46,000 is the taxable amount. What is taxable amount? 46,000 rupees. Okay. This is how we should do the calculations. I hope with this you understood everything what I tried to convey. Right? This is how you should understand the topics what are there in the law. I feel with this we actually completed the leave encashment topic also. And yes, absolutely right. Chalo, 46,000 is the, with this taxable leave encashment is 46,000, and with this we'll conclude this lecture. Bye everybody, take care, and we'll meet in the next lecture.